right. Very good. 21 brisk. Push-ups when there's push-up handles. That's a good thing. More fun. Thank you for stopping in. And this country, we all need to pray. There's a lot of bad things going on. We all need to be in prayer for this nation. There's no doubt about it. Evil is something that we all have to defeat to some degree in order to have peace. Now, it all doesn't come from fighting and more destruction. It's in the ability to contain it and to stop it. And sometimes we have to fight fire with fire. If the bad, are determined to wreak harm on people, then they have to have their feet put to the fire as well. Somehow it's all got to stop. Thank you for stopping in. Pray and ask God to save this nation once again from the crime and the evil that is spreading so rapidly. Thank you now, and have a great day. It's a pleasure. All right. Enjoy your day the best that you can. Ask God to do what we cannot do, and He will answer. Thank you from Hogg Dungeons.